100% cotton flannel fabric. Made in the USA or imported. Pro Shot 100% cotton flannel finished both sides cleaning patches have become known worldwide for superior consistency and cleaning power. Our patches carry the fouling through the bore with the least amount of abrasive contact to the barrel's rifling. The fact is well known that nothing surpasses our exclusive Spec American Made 100% cotton flannel fabric finished on both sides for purposes of absorbing foreign matter and residue. All Pro Shot products are made in USA from USA components. 600 count 1.5-inch round patches. American cotton, American design come together to form the best patch in the world. High thread count with tightly woven material along with our double napped on both sides creates a superior cleaning patch that have become known worldwide for their unpa. Top reviews from the United States. Patches are as good as any. I shoot 500 and 1,000 yards competition. Keep my rifles spotless. Custom barrels are outrageously expensive. These patches are as good as any out there. I have no trouble with them. Get a bore light, you will see what I mean. When used in conjunction with a quality bore brush, your bore will remain contaminant-free, which equals longer life.